You're tuning in today to the Drone World News with RC Addict.
Thank you, Moira Hancock.
Morning, RC Addict here. In the news today, it has come to our attention that some drone builders have not been taking their props off when flashing blheli, flashing blheli, flashing anything to their ESCs. We can be promised that one fatal time, it can be you. Now over to RC Addict. He's got a message for everyone.
Ah, me bastard hand! Bitch! Ah! Fucks! Whoa! Gee!
Take your props off! Take your props off!
Take your bloody props off! Take your props off! Take your props off, guys. Seriously. Not a good look, is it? Take your props off.
That's the news today.